Hello and welcome back to Reverend and the Sniffle Souls playthrough. My name is James. I have another mug full of lemonade to consume throughout this play. Oh my. Throughout this video. His name is Oswald, still. He's amazing. And it is time, I would say, to use a homeward bone. Yeah. Okay. Filing Shrine. Literally, I was all the way back here. Oh my god. Also, last episode, I said that on this guy, I had got to Sense Fortress. Whilst that is technically true, I didn't actually mean that. What I meant, well, I did mean that, but it's not the truth. What the truth would have been if, what's his face? My practice character, Pastor Reeve. He's in Sense Fortress. I'm not on this guy. But, that's all gonna change. And the gates have opened. Much like with Keyscape or Hardest Bunkai in Bleach. That's right, I know what I'm talking about. Oh man, it's good to be doing like tangible amounts of damage again. It feels like it's been so long. Oh man, they went flying. It's so nice to be able to actually hurt things. That sounds bad. Please do not take that out of context. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Anyway, I suppose what I'm going to do before I try and tackle the Fortress of Sen is no Twinkling Titanite. Okay, that's fine. And I don't really want to reinforce any of my armor. I don't have any Titanite anyway. But yeah, I don't know which armor I would reinforce, should I need to. Don't have any magic to attune, I don't think. Oh, I do. I've got Poison Mist. Admittedly, I don't actually have a Pyromancy thing, but oh well, it makes it nice and there's actually something there now, so that's good. Whew! Feels weird doing this with both earphones in, but I couldn't hear properly with just one of them in, so whatever. Now, let's see how much killing I managed to achieve to these douchebags. Why, hi there! Ow. Not much, apparently, because I'm just going to die before I'm able to try. I'm so slow! I need to get up my endurance more. Jesus. Hello. Why does chugging take so long? I swear it didn't take this long on my Dex character, but surely that shouldn't influence how long it takes to drink from a flask. Just double check. I do have fast roll, right? Yes. Good. Good. Very good. Yeah, I've realised why it feels weird doing it with both earphones in. I can't tell how loud I'm being. I think I'm just going to switch earphones to the ones I usually do, rather than that. Okay, that's probably better. Oh, I forgot about this. Break the vases, / vases, however you want to pronounce it. Oh, also, there's a Silver Knight in the Undead Asylum when you go back there. I never knew that until I was doing Reverend 2 in order to try and get the rusted iron ring. Really? 3 shots? Seems slightly excessive. Oh well. I guess that I might just end up having to resort to two-handing. I'm not sure. Man, this is a majestic sword, bro. Very majestic. But yeah, I might have to resort to two-handing my Black Knight sword. Just so I'm okay with the amount of damage I do. Woo! Cool. Open this up, get some large Titanite shards. Run around here. Kill bitch face McGee when he comes round. Hello, get hit by boulder, please. Thank you. Now come up, come back here. Come slightly further this way. Thank you. Right, the boulder just went past. So, oh fuck, I'm not gonna make it. Whew. Now then, you see this chest? You see how its chain is sort of hanging there? It's not attached. Yeah, there's a reason for that. Oh, maybe not. It's not this chest, it's the one down. Is it when the chains are attached? I don't know. What does the Ring of Steel protection do? Boost defense versus physical attacks. Okay, I understand. It wasn't that chest. My bad. Well, that taught me a valuable lesson, that did, about chains. I had the wrong idea about how to tell a mimic's a mimic. Hello? Nope. Didn't work. Almost worked, but didn't quite. You have an arrow through your head. Stop being faster than me, douchebag. Thank you. Okay, now then, there's another one in here if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I was mistaken. Is there another one up here? I've got to wait for the boulder to go past, then I've got to run. Run! Whew. Now then, I kind of want to say Big Hat Logan, but I also kind of don't. Leave that for now. I'll push it in every direction, and then I'll work out which one's the correct one for it to go in, for me to not be bothered by it. Push. Oh, that reminds me of Tenacious D song. Well, Dio and Tenacious D, push. Shit's good, man. That shit's good. That's real good shit, man. Real good. Sorry. Which one is it? Is it this one that it needs to go in? Yeah, I think it is. Okay. Send it back this way. And I send it around once more. And then that's going to punch it. And then I'll come up here. Ow. I did not expect to get hit there. I thought I would have rolled further. My bad. This is where the game gets really annoying. Sen's Fortress. Probably the, if not one of, the most annoying parts of the game I've faced so far. Okay, then come up here and kill you. Fucking Flamberge bitch. And come down here, across here, around here, and down here. And kill this one. Grab that. Gotta make it to the next bonfire. If I don't, I'm gonna be well annoyed, because then I'll have to go through this whole place again. And I'm not good at this. Oh shit, I forgot about them. Run! Okay. Then in here. Now then, I don't actually remember how to get to the next bonfire. Is it down here? I don't think it is. There's a knight down there somewhere though, isn't there? No. Oh, yes. Hello. I'm a knight too. I'm not exactly a black knight, but I have their sword. Do you like it? Protruding from your chest? No? Okay. Each their own, I suppose. Each to their own. I really do not remember how to get to the other bonfire. Oh, hello, other knight. How do you do? Do you like it? Going through your waist? Flamestone plate ring, thank you. Well, you got Titan Shard. Always welcome, always welcome. Gotta use them to up my fucking Zweihander a bit more, I think. Oh man, I really need to find that bonfire. I'm gonna get fucked up by fire without it. That's where I just came from. Probably want to heal up here. Just because the fire that gets thrown about. See? Just wait for that to go. So I made it this far. If I remember correctly, the bonfire is here. Yeah, boy, I did it! I'm fairly certain I saw something fall off the edge here as well, but oh well. Woo! Thank fuck for that. I'm down up. Now then. Where am I? I remember. Cool, that makes this a little bit easier. Hello! Boulder feeding man. Oh god. Oh dear. That was a bit too close for my comfort, personally. Ow. Ow again. Cool. Run away from these blast points. Even though that means I've got to face this guy with the awesome shield and armor and stuff, who's just generally huge. I don't like facing these guys. They're overpowered. Oh man, I'm a little bit jelly. It was awesome. Just simply awesome. Did you drop anything? Did you drop a shield? No? Okay. Okay. Sorry, that's a habit I got from my, one of my teachers. He tends to do that a lot during lessons. But, oh well. Okay. Probably a bad habit. Oh well. You there? You are in the Elite Knight armor. Oh. Oh, it's you. Ricard. I thought that was an invading spirit, but no. Are you one of Oscar's family? I'm going to assume you are. Sorry about killing him twice. He did go hollow in the end, though. Stop being fast. I know that's what you're built for, but stop it. Thank you. Yep. Now then, let's see if there's any info on the rapier itself to say whether he is. A rapier with innate decorations shows him breaking the infinite. Undead Prince Ricard, we can explore Children Monomyth, born to royalty, wandered. I'm gonna assume, in my own headcanon, that he is in fact related to Oscar. Aha! One of these might be a mimic. No? Okay. Just have to check. Rare Ring of Sacrifice. What's that do? Die, lose nothing, nullify curse, and ring breaks. Oh. It's not that great then. Divine Blessing. What's that do? Bloody hell. It's been so long. Fully restore HP and undo irregularities. Well, I can't have that on my hotbar in case I accidentally use it. So, yeah. 13k? Fucking hell, Undead Prince Ricard. You should not be so generous to me. Sorry, I've got to drink some lemonade. And swing. And come up this ladder, which I came down earlier. Ba 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 da one ring at a time. I mean rung at a time. Why are parts of ladders called rungs? That's my ladder climbing song. It's not available on anything for purchase as of yet, but you know, if you want, let me know, and I can probably edit out the audio and send it to you for a small fee or for free. But preferably, you know, you can donate to my cause, and I will not be mad. I need to go over there at some point, but before I do, I want to come through here and just clear out a couple of things. You survived. Oh, you were blocking. You douchebag. Yeah, I want to just see what's going on around here, you know? Just be sure there's nothing happening. Okay, that is not an illusion wall. Wasn't sure if it was or not. It just kind of confused me. Do 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 do. Why am I Scooby doing? I do not know why I'm so musical, especially since I'm just generally not a very musical person, to be honest. It's locked. Do I not have the key? That's a shame. That's a right royal shame, that is. That is indeed. That is a shame indeed. That is. Sorry. Sorry. Running, 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 and slash, just in case you were dead that you were. Ah, yeah. Now then, I do not personally believe that I'll be able to take on the monstrosity that is atop this tower by myself at present. So, I shall simply not do that. Oh dear. Hello. You're not the monstrosity I was talking about. You're not a monstrosity. You're just a hulking monster. Beast thing. Can I even kill you? I can't remember. Yes, I can. Sorry, you're just a giant baby, but, you know, chunks. Whew! Also, I think he's the dude who throws the explosives about. Look at him! Look at that fucking badass over there with his pose. Douche. Yeah, I can't deal with him right now. I'm not strong enough. So, not using that fog gate. I can run, in fact, over here. See what's about. See, as of the moment, there's nothing there. However, should I do the jumpy leapy thing that I said I needed to do, there will be. Though I think I'll need to kill fucking douchebag McGee up there again after I come back. Oh well. Shit happens. Just gotta deal with it really, don't we? Da 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 da. Why is it locked? Why can't I unlock it? Where's the key? Where's the key? I remember unlocking it pretty much every time I've tried. But apparently in this game I cannot do that, so I might cry. Yeah. Again, not available anywhere, but whatevs, bro, whatevs. Hey, Black Iron Tarkus.
Ah, what? What? Who are you? Ah, another undead, eh? I took on Sam's fortress alone. But I'm no different from those vile creatures. I was driven by conceit. Ah, you think you're different? That you can handle it? Yes, I remember that feeling. For I was the same. So, let me help you out. With your soul searching.
What you got for me? Just your average greatsword? Balder shield? Tower shield? Oh man, you're great, man. Oh, I love you, dude. I love you. Don't grind to greatswords, strength to wield. Greatsword's probably better than my Zweihander, to be honest. Might get it. Does he sell? Oh my god, he sells the Katarina things. And just the steel things. And the Balder things. I want the Katarina things, but it's 10k each. And they're pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. I've got the sack, so I don't need the onion helm. Yeah. I don't know. Should I buy the great sword? C and
There's
D.
nothing more to say. I'm finished. End of story. Let me give you a... Don't even consider visiting. For a century they've tried. The Night King Rendell, Black Iron Tarkus, and even Logan himself.
Oh, this isn't Black Iron Tarkus.
You won't stand a chance. You'll be... But go along if you wish. If only... Let me give you a nibble of advice.
Okay. No. You've already given me a nibble of advice. I'm not interested in your nibbles. Where did we get the Black Iron Tarkus soapstone-y thing from? Because that's what I came here to look for. I do love that guy though, he's great. Oh, that's the point, I need to help Sigmir out. What's this? Cage key! Not what I was looking for, but it'll do. Maybe the Black Iron Tarkus thing's there anyway? I just need to be human form? I suppose that makes sense. I am a warrior of just me. Yeah.
What is it?
Purchase. 5 bombs are cool and all, but no. Titanite shards are useful, but no. Should I go for the Grey Sword? I need to compare it to Zweihander.
Rush in like a naked babe.
Be skinned alive. Zweihander, 156 at +2. The other ones are like 130 with +0. Oh, hang on. No, I need to check. That's a C and a D as well. I'm assuming they've probably got like the same moveset. So there's not really much point in buying the Great Sword, I would say. I wouldn't want to use either of those shields as much as I'd love to, especially the Balder shield. But no, I'm not an arrow person. But Katarina, yes. Outside of Katarina, they're often really cool for that and like shape, infuriating, proud reliance. But the masterfully forged curved design makes it very effective for parrying. Basically, parry is what it's for. I kind of want it. I want it all. I want it all. I bring it all. But and I would be quite happy with it immediately. So if I grab these,
Go along.
I need
Try and make
20k
something of
souls for
yourself.
the rest.
But nothing will come of it. And I should know.
No, quite. I'm gonna buy some more shit from you. Then I'm gonna kill you, you pessimistic bastard, before you transform. I am a lady. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Okay, them and them. Man, that is fucking hell. I'm gonna be fat rolling everywhere because this shit's heavy. But put that there. Put that there. Hopefully I can get 20k souls out of this lot. Woo! It's good for the large soul of the brave warrior. Pop. 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 What have we got? Where are we? There we go. Pop. There we go. 20k. Done. Purchase. Katarina helm. And Katarina armor.
There
I
you
don't
go,
really need the
another
helm because I
brave
want to keep
soul.
wearing the sack.
But soon
But I'm
you
not
shall
even wearing
see.
the sack, so.
You and I are no different. Yeah, yes.
Are you sure?
You soon shall see the beauty. What the devil's got into you? Help me.
I did. I did. Because you were going to go hollow, mate. You had no hope. You'd lost your dream. You were going to turn. I saved you. Thank me in the afterlife, my friend. Thank me in the afterlife. For thou art like the crestfallen warrior. No, then. I'm just gonna do this. Because I want to just amp up this bonfire. And I need to reverse hollowing for the next boss fight. Which will probably be in the next episode. Ha 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 ha! So to kindle that. Then I will become an onion knight myself. Like... So... Yeah, boy. Roll's not even too bad. It's a medium roll, I'd say. I am a pariah, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Anyway, my name has been James the Onion Reverend. Your name is still whatever the hell you are called. Let me know, perhaps? I want some comments. I never get any comments, and it's mildly upsetting, but that's understandable given the fact that I get between 1 and 4 views. Half the time, one of which is me, just to make sure that it works. Anywho, I'll see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.